arithmetic progression equivalent to sum of 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. Sum of 30 terms. Sum of 30 terms in an arithmetic progression is how much? Sum of 30 terms in an arithmetic progression is how much? Listen carefully. Step number 1. Sum of 11 terms in an arithmetic progression. T1, T2 till T11. Sum of 19 terms. T12, T13, T14 and so on up to T19. Read the question. Sum of 11 terms in an arithmetic progression. This entire sum of these 11 terms is equivalent to sum of 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. This is equivalent to entire sum of these 19 terms. Sum of first 11 terms and sum of next 8 terms will become total sum of 19 terms. But sum of 11 terms is total equivalent to sum of 19 terms. Can I say that sum of last 8 terms will be 0? Do you agree? Because sum of first 11 plus sum of next 8 will become total sum of 19. Sum of last 8 terms is 0. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So last 8 terms is 0. Left side 4, right side 4. What is the middle term? T15.5 is 0. Are you all with me? Middle value is 15.5. 15.5 is 0. How much we require? Sum of 30 terms. 30 terms means 15 terms to the left, 15 terms to the right. What is the middle value? If T15.5 is 0, what will be the sum of 30 terms? 0. Right? Now, the root cause of this problem is the average of the last 8 terms happen to be the average of the 30 terms. That is where you are able to determine. Right? One more question. Sum of 30 terms equivalent to sum of 30 terms equivalent to sum of 40 terms, sum of 70 terms equivalent to. Listen carefully. This is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Sum of 30 terms. T1, T2 till T30. Sum of 40 terms. T31, 32 till T40. Sum of 30 terms equivalent to total sum of 40 terms. That means last 10 terms sum will be 0. Last 10 terms sum is 0. That means there are 5 terms to the left and 5 terms to the right. 37, 38, 39, 40. What will be the middle value? T35.5 is 0. So, how much we require? Sum of 70 terms. Sum 70 means 35 to the left, 35 to the right. What is the middle value? 35.5. T35.5 is 0. What is the sum of 70 terms? It is also 0. That is why in textbooks it is written like this. SA equivalent to SB. SA plus B is 0. S30 is S40.